Ms. Ritu Juneja is an industry professional with over 17 years of experience in administrative and HR skills working with a Japanese organization, Hitachi, that aims to provide sustainable environment to the society and believes in social innovation. She is born and brought up in Delhi and graduated from Delhi University with bachelor's degree in commerce and has been awarded first division in office management academic performance by Miss Kiran Bedi in the year 1999. Apart from her key skills in administrative and HR areas, she has performed various safety rider workshops for school children, educating them about the precise use of elevators and escalators. She has also been associated with various non-profit organizations like Parivar Seva Sanstha, Delhi Cherais House, and NGO like Delhi Greens, Helpage, Cry, and carried various social activities for the benefit of the society and the environment, both on professional and personal grounds.
For giving me this opportunity to be present here at this virtual platform and prepare myself and provide the introduction about the organizations and the challenges we face with the NGOs. So today actually I feel very honored to be a part of this event, and I appreciate the progress of ITU support system. Bodies like ITU render support, they not only to the NGOs but also to corporates and other organizations in the social development of society. Though it has been a very short time with India is Us that we soon got associated, and herein I must appreciate the support rendered by Alicia to Hitachi by her various thoughtfulness ideas and majority of the activities she has been proposing us to render under SDG plans. Hitachi's vision is to provide a sustainable environment to the society and promote SDG activities all over the world. So I think this association will help us more and more to reach us to the goal. Honestly speaking, it was really a difficult task for us to look for the association of the NGOs that can actually, understand our budget constraints and help us perform the social responsibilities towards the society. Generally corporates lack this association with verified NGOs that actually focus on the activity-based programs rather than donation of funds. So we have also experienced that in today's time, it is very challenging to know whether the donated amount will actually be invested in the good cause or not. So that is one of the very big challenge that corporates have been facing while performing their CSR and SDG goals. Very less number of NGOs, that can actually assess and identify the real needs of the community and can work along with the companies for which they have to invest in local by their capacity to undertake developmental projects. Personally, if you ask me, I feel that ITU team is doing a very good job. I appreciate, and by working with verified NGOs and actually creating more awareness among the organizations to make CSR more effective. It is actually now at the present situation a big need for all of us to stand together towards the society goals, the environmental goals, and promote the CSR activities all over the country. ITU, they do not work considering the big size and the profile of the company, but they also consider their budget contributions and need while performing the CSR programs. So thank you very much, India is Us team, for making Hitachi as an association with you and giving us the benefit and your utmost support so that we can also achieve this goal with your team's support. One suggestion here I would like to give is that NGOs should create more and more awareness among the general public to make it more effective, the programs, the social activities. For example, I feel that they should take help of media to promote the activities performed by various organizations, various societies, where media is one of that such tool that can reach one-to-one and help creating more awareness among the society. So whether it is in newsletters or in newspapers, among the organization, if we talk about, if these are the newsletters, then the hoardings, I think awareness is lacking among the society, among the public, to work towards the SDG goals or the environmental goals, I think this should also be considered as one of the key points. And once again, I would like to thank all the NGOs present here and giving me this opportunity to get associated with them. And all the NGOs, thank you for your utmost support to the society. And last but not the least, thanks to the ITU organization. We look for the longer run of association with them, and I believe that Alicia and ITU's team will definitely help us achieve our goal of the organization towards sustainable society. Thank you, Dr. Tazeen. Thank you, ITU team, and thank you, everyone. Thank you.